Hi, John. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I am good. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. The night was quiet.
Great. I feel happy today. It is Saturday.
Yes, Saturday feels nice. We can relax at home.
Do you want coffee now or later today?
I want coffee now, please. I feel sleepy.
Okay, I will make coffee in the kitchen.
Thank you, Emily. I really appreciate your help.
I am turning on the coffee machine right now.
Great. I will get 2 mugs from the cabinet.
Please use the blue mugs. They are my favorite.
Sure, I will use the blue mugs for us.
Do you want sugar or do you want it plain?
I want a little sugar, please. Not too much.
Okay, 1 small spoon of sugar for you.
Thank you. Do you want cream in yours today?
Yes, I want cream. I like it very smooth.
I will get the cream from the refrigerator now.
The coffee smells so good. It feels warm already.
Yes, it smells amazing. I love morning coffee too.
Here is your mug. Please be careful. It is hot.
Thank you, Emily. I will sip it slowly now.
I will sit with you. Let us enjoy breakfast soon.
Good idea. What do you want for breakfast today?
I want eggs and toast. Maybe some fruit too.
That sounds healthy. I can make toast for us.
Thank you. I can cook eggs in the pan.
Perfect. I will put bread in the toaster now.
I am cracking the eggs carefully into the bowl.
I hear the toaster popping soon. It is working.
Do you want your eggs scrambled or sunny side?
I want scrambled eggs, please. They are easy to eat.
Okay, scrambled eggs for you, sunny side for me.
That sounds good. I will put butter on toast.
Please pass the salt. I need a little salt.
Here you go. Please be careful with the salt.
Thanks. I am stirring the eggs with a fork.
I am pouring orange juice into 2 glasses now.
The eggs are cooking now. They look very tasty.
The toast is ready. It smells fresh and warm.
Great. Please put the toast on 2 small plates.
Okay, I am putting toast on the plates now.
I will put eggs on the plates very carefully.
Thank you. This breakfast looks great and simple.
You're welcome. Let us eat at the table now.
Yes, let us sit down and eat together.
I like quiet mornings like this at home.
Me too. It feels peaceful and comfortable here.
John, do you have any plans for today?
I want to clean a little, then I will rest.
That sounds good. I want to do laundry today.
Okay, we can do chores first, then relax later.
Yes, after chores, we can watch a movie together.
Great idea. Do you want to watch a comedy movie?
Yes, I like comedy movies. They make me smile.
Me too. I also like action movies sometimes.
Action movies are fun, but comedy is easier.
True. Let us finish breakfast, then start chores.
I finished my eggs. They were really delicious.
My scrambled eggs were great. Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome. Thank you for making the toast.
No problem. I'm happy to help you too.
Let us clean the dishes now. The sink is full.
Okay, I will wash dishes. You can dry them.
Sounds good. Please use warm water and soap.
Yes, I am using warm water. It feels nice.
I am drying the plates with a clean towel.
Great. We are working well together this morning.
The kitchen looks better now. Thank you, John.
You're welcome, Emily. You did great too.
Now I will start the laundry in the washer.
Okay, do you want me to carry the basket?
Yes, please. The basket is heavy for me.
No problem. I will carry it to the laundry room.
Thank you. I will add soap and start it.
Do you want to wash colors and whites separately?
Yes, I do. It helps keep clothes clean.
Okay, that is smart. I will sort clothes now.
While laundry runs, we can tidy the living room.
Yes, I see some books and cups on the table.
I will put books back on the shelf now.
I will throw away trash and old receipts now.
Please do not forget the empty water bottles, too.
I see them. I will recycle them in the bin.
Great. Recycling is common here in many homes.
Yes, my neighbors recycle too. It's a good habit.
I will fluff the pillows on the couch.
I will fold the blanket. It looks messy today.
The living room looks clean now. It feels nice.
Yes, it looks great. We did a good job.
I think the laundry will finish in 10 minutes.
Okay, while we wait, let's choose a movie.
Good idea. I want something light and funny.
How about a simple comedy on a streaming app?
Yes, that sounds perfect. Please pick one for us.
Okay, I am scrolling now. I see many choices.
I like movies with families and friendly jokes.
I found one. It looks fun and not too long.
The laundry is done. I hear the machine beeping.
Okay, let's move clothes to the dryer now.
Please help me carry the wet clothes again.
Sure, I will carry them. They are very heavy.
Thank you. I will put them inside the dryer now.
Do you want to set it for 40 minutes?
Yes, 40 minutes is good. Please press start.
Okay, I press start. The dryer is running now.
Great. Now we can relax and watch the movie.
Yes, let us sit on the couch and enjoy.
I will get popcorn. It's a classic snack here.
Great idea. Do you want butter on the popcorn?
Yes, please. Butter popcorn tastes really good.
Okay, I will get 2 bowls for popcorn.
Thank you. I am putting popcorn in the microwave.
I will bring napkins and water for us too.
The popcorn is ready. It smells so nice.
Awesome. Let us start the movie and relax now.
This is a perfect Saturday at home with you.
I agree, Emily. Thank you for a great morning.
You're welcome, John. I'm happy we worked together.
Me too. Enjoy the movie and have a great day.
Practice questions. What does Emily make first in the morning?